A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. For the links located in the description. If you are facing any kind of problem in this property, then you can help us by commenting below.